So what we have learned till now is we have understood what is mutual fund and also the different value investment styles of the fund managers and also the advantages of mutual fund. And then we have seen what are the different types of mutual funds available in the market. Now, while selecting different types of mutual funds, what are the criteria that you have to keep in mind to select this category of mutual fund? So if you want to invest into a equity funds, why you should invest into equity fund? Is it viable option for you as an individual to buy an equity fund? So before answering that question, you have to answer all these parameters on the left hand side, okay, that this particular mutual fund will suit my goal or suit my financial aspiration. So first of all, you must ask the question to yourself, what is your investment objective and financial goal in life? That means what? Basically, when we talk about investment objective is what is your purpose of investing into a mutual fund? That is the first question that you need to answer. That what is the purpose of your investment? Why you want to invest that particular money? Okay, for which you want to invest into a mutual fund. So some general examples, like for long-term goals you might be having for investment purpose, or growing money for retirement. You might be having a long-term goal that you want to grow money for your retirement or for your child education or for marriage or for buying a house, etc., etc. There can be a multiple goals. Okay, so the first basic step, you have to define your objective. What is your objective? And the financial goal, what you have as a goal for investing in the mutual fund. So you have to first, as an individual, have to write down somewhere that this is my goal. This much money I will be requiring for my for my house or for any other children education or for marriage or for retirement purpose. I will require that much amount of money, and therefore this goal has to be written somewhere as an individual, and therefore I require to invest the money into the mutual fund. Or it can be a short term also, like going for a vacation somewhere. We will require this much amount of fund, so let's start investing now only. So this has to be very clear. You have to write somewhere your goal for what you want to, and based on that, then only you can select the mutual fund. Other than declaring about what is your goal, you also has to understand your risk profile. What is your, as an individual, capacity to take risk? What type of investor you are? Will you want to take a higher risk to hunt for a higher return? Or you are a very conservative investor who want to keep your savings safe? Okay, or you want the money that I have currently, I want to just keep it very safe. Or you can take a risk from the money for the money that you have currently, that you are holding currently. You can risk that money. Or you, whatever currently you are holding a money, you want it as a safe. It remains safe. So what type of investor you are? Are you can have ability to take risk, or you are a very conservative investor, so that you can keep your saving very safe and get some return if possible out of that money. So what type of investors you are? You have to categorize yourself, whether I can take risk from this money or I cannot take risk from this money. If I can take risk from this money, then you can easily go and buy equity funds. If you cannot take risk, you can easily go and buy debt fund. Some of the return that you will get from the debt fund also. So therefore, you have to categorize yourself. What is your risk status? So along with your goal, you also have to consider your risk.